Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech Info with Dera. If this is the first time of coming across my video, please do well to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends, okay? And so today I want to discuss something very important with you. It has come to my notice that whenever you make a post on LinkedIn, your post don't get enough visibility. What I mean is that people don't comment, people don't repost, the algorithm doesn't push it to people. And I know it can be really frustrating. It's not because the algorithm hates you, it's not because LinkedIn hates you, it's just that you're not doing things the right way and you're not aware of certain things. So today I'm going to be discussing with you on the 5 reasons why your post is not going viral on LinkedIn. Yeah. And the 5th reason will blow your mind. So stick to this video. Let's get into it. The first reason is that you're posting for approval, not for connection. Before you make some posts, some people ask themselves, this post, does this sound smart? People love it. First, you're meant to ask yourself before making a post, am I being honest in this post? Is this post real? Can people relate to this post? These are the important things you look out for before making a post, because posts that people can relate to is a post people will like, is a post people will share, is a post people can comment on. So before making a post, ask yourself these questions. People only react to posts that triggers them and resonate with them. Most posts that went viral did not go viral because it was all smart, the vocabulary was on point. It was because that post, people could actually relate with it, and the person that posted it was being honest and real with himself or herself. So be very sure you are being real and honest with yourself when you're making a post on LinkedIn. The second reason is that your post lines are weak. You know, the first 2 lines of your post should actually spark curiosity. It should make people want to click to see more and read more. Because if people cannot click and see more, it will not signal the algorithm that this post is valuable and worthy of pushing out to more people to read. So your first 2 lines should always be a question, it should be a surprise, it should want to make them want to read more. The third reason is that you are not engaging enough with other people's posts. LinkedIn is built on community behavior. You don't just come online, you make your post and you disappear. You take out time, engage meaningfully on people's posts, like their posts, reposts, all these things to prioritize your content, making LinkedIn to give you instant visibility, signaling the algorithm that, oh, this person is active. And also, when people comment on your posts, endeavor to always reply their comments, like their comments, and engage with them. These things helps to boost your content and push it out to more people to see. That first 1 hour your post is being made, every comment that was made on your post should be replied. Don't wait till the next day you start replying. As you're making comments on your post, endeavor to be replying. This will help your content to be pushed to more people. That's how LinkedIn works. The fourth reason is that you're using too many hashtags. I know you're not aware of this. LinkedIn likes you using 3 or 5 hashtags that are generic and specific to your community and your niche. So when you make a post, endeavor to use hashtags that are relevant to your niche. You don't put maybe say up to 10 hashtags or 20 hashtags that are tailored to so many communities. No, endeavor to use hashtags that are specific to your niche so that LinkedIn algorithm can push you to the people that need to see this. The 5th reason why your post is not going viral is that you are not consistent. One post cannot make you go viral. No, one post cannot make you go viral. Consistency trains the algorithm to understand your audience and push your content to the right people. So try and be showing up on LinkedIn, all right? Once every week, you post, you comment on people's posts, engage with their posts, comment, like, these things helps to keep your page alive and signal the algorithm that this page is active. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment LinkedIn on the comment section.